People often ask, what is the integrative medicine? To answer that question, we have to understand what human being is made of. If you think carefully, the human being is made of the structural body, like our hair, skin, muscles, bones, ligaments, and connective tissues, organs, and so on and so forth. And of course, minimally, we could see the molecules and cells. The human being is also made of by chemicals, and we are full of the water, electrolytes, vitamins, minerals, fatty acids, and the amino acids, and everything they're made of, like hormones, enzymes, neurotransmitters, and so on and so forth. With these two in combination, we will have a body. However, the body is not alive until it has the energy. The energy we mean is a biological electrical activities. And in the body, we receive our energy from two sources. One is through breathing with the oxygen, the other through food with the ATPs, metabolized from the carbohydrates, proteins, and fat. With biological energy, then we can have human mental and physical function, like the body temperature, heartbeat, breathing, blood pressure, and muscle contractions. We can have thoughts, feelings, voice, and we can sense the lights, the sound. We can communicate through our body movements and the facial expression. These three dimensions of the human body are interrelated, interconnected, and interdependent. So if you want to have a healthy body, you have to have healthy chemistry. If you want healthy chemistry, you have to have healthy energy, vice versa. So therefore, you have to assess all three dimensions and integrate all the modalities that support each one of them to be an integrative medicine, to optimize the outcome of the treatment of a patient and promoting health of a person and prevent a disease from happening. However, no matter what we do with this body, eventually energy will be depleted and chemistry will stop and the body will decay. And that's what we call the death. Therefore, the human body is the mortal life. It will eventually disappear. At the best, and we could live up to 150 years. But most of people have prematurely aged. I consider aging is a natural, but premature aging is an illness. However, if that is all about human life, it's very depressing. Fortunately, residing in the human body is our soul, our spirit, or our mind, whatever you prefer to call it. And this soul and spirit will not disappear when the body dies. It will live on. It's probably true that it had lived in another body in another lifetime, or many bodies and many lifetimes before this one. Therefore, we have a fourth dimension of our life, which is immortal life, and which is our soul and spirit. And we do communicate with each other at a soul level through our eyes. So that's why eye contact is so important when people communicate with each other. Sometimes I think the soul is like the driver of a car, and we know how important a sensible and wise driver to the fate of a car. A sensible driver will take good care of the car's body parts, maintain the chemistry of it, tune up the electronic systems, drive the car to do meaningful things, and drive safely, and so on and so forth. But if the driver is reckless and driver is drunk, and it causes damage not only to the car, but also to the safety of others. Therefore, the medicine for the soul is extremely important, and that's what we call life cultivation in Chinese. And there are many ancient and modern systems that help to cultivate our soul. To summarize, the integrative medicine that we practice at Yang Institute is the medicine that assess the health and the wellness of your body, your chemistry, your energy, and your soul. And we integrate all kinds of modern and ancient Chinese and Western medical and health practices, lifestyles to optimize your health, to help your chronic illness and pre-aging. We eventually will measure that in 5 aspects of your life so we can see how you're doing. One is the biological health. The second is the social behavioral health. The third is your emotional psychological health. And number 4 is your spiritual health. And of course, what's the number 5? It is your occupational and financial health. Because all these 5 aspects depending on the health of the body, chemistry, energy, and the soul. So if you have any experience and ideas about what integrative medicine is or should be, and your experience with integrative medicine, please share with us in the comment area. If you find this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. This is Dr. Yang's Health Talk, and see you next time.